of his family because he's like, what's coming is way worse. And he's seen it through like aliens that were taking him, you know? Every night, everybody will see like a fucking owl. And from there, they don't remember anything, okay? They get still getting abducted and shit like that. There's like so many hours of real footage, and they just put like a little bit here and there throughout that movie. And the same guy, like, this guy never seen that movie. And we never talked about it, and, you know, he's all like, I said, I read all this shit, dude, and makes me want to fucking get rid of my family. I'm like, what the fuck? Are you fucking out of your fucking mind, dude? It's like, I can't take it no more, man. It's like, we see this shit on the news. We see, you know, we know what's coming. I'm like, dude, like, the only thing is, like, they want us to fucking feel like that. Remember, what you think is what comes.